Stay in position 3 in this lane, over to position 3. It just buys you a bit more safety. They'd push across anyway wherever you were. Carbon monoxide. Okay, pedestrian crossing, but nobody's there, so they're unlikely to change. So I'm going to stay on the inside. This is my lane, and as I exit, look at the bigger gap which is there, and off we go. Mirrors 30 and then 40 if it's safe to do so. Yeah, you can tell it's an old person in the Mini because it's got big ears. Old people have big ears. Now you've got 2 arrows here, one's left, one's right. You need to choose one. Remember, early vision, early decision at the roundabout. Look for gaps in the traffic. Gaps equal traps. Remember, there's a general keep left rule. So once you've turned, get into the left lane. I would be indicating left here because there's a straight ahead arrow too. Okay, watch out for people diving in on us. Also, indicating to change lanes or whatever when there's nobody around to benefit from the indicator. The problem we've had in the past on test is when somebody's done that, they've focused so hard on their next instruction, they've left their indicator on. And they didn't need it on in the first place. So just be careful with that. Remember to indicate a bit earlier to come off a roundabout. You'd already exited then. Nice mirrors, well done. The houses are telling you the speed limit may be changing, well done. That car behind me was a little close for my liking, so when I braked I went flash, flash, brake. And then might as well stay in position 3 because of that post office van. You might as well stay near these white lines because the hatchings in the middle are keeping us away from the oncoming already. See what I mean, look? Don't go too far forwards because you might have to double back on yourself if you do. There you go, that's it. Okay, he's letting us go if it's safe. I'll thank him, you just focus on the riding. Position, mirrors, indicator, shoulder. Start looking now, make a decision. Pick your speed up now, Adam. Let's go, 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 go. So, you didn't cancel your indicator before you turn the bike off. The problem with that is on your test, you'll be all nervous and you'll pull away with your left indicator on. You'll pass a junction, cars there, you fail. Looking under the wheels of cars for animals or kids. Also, both of you remember there are 2 lanes turning right here, so don't cut anybody up and try not to sit in their blind spot as you turn, because I've seen them come over into lane 1 very often. That's good. Sitting in the gaps of the cars, not next to them, that's excellent. Right, now you can hang back a bit, Chloe, because of that car. "99% of the time those cars only use the mirrors and then they're over. Sometimes I even cover my horn just in case." That black car behind me was closing in on me quite a lot, so I flashed my brake lights 3 times and all of a sudden you saw his front end dip. What? That's what your mirrors are for. No, we're okay. Look where you're going, Chloe. Push your left bar. You kind of steered at the curb a bit there, that's target fixation. You'd be amazed how much grip we have even in the wet. Okay, consider being in position 3 in this lane if you feel that cars are going to be wanting to come over on you. Only consider it.